a 1969 Dodge Hemi Daytona.
Very excited to see this car cross the block here at Monterey. Pretty typical at another Mecum auction, but here in Monterey, it really stands out. First of all, only 70 Hemi Daytonas built in the one only year of the Daytona on this platform, 69. 426 cubic inches, 425 horsepower. Torque Flight automatic transmission. Hemi Orange, always a great color, and not just because of the name. Bucket seats, console, period correct, thin white stripe tires, those painted wheels with the poverty caps. That's our look, Chris. That's our look. At the Fratzog emblem in the middle.
And anytime you see a restored Mopar, you are very reassured by the names Roger Gibson and Dave Wise. Roger Gibson, the restorer. Dave Wise, the person who did all of the heavy lifting detective work, making sure all the stamps are correct. And when Dave Wise gives his report and puts his stamp of approval on it, you can trust it.
650 reserve is off.
And the reserve is off at $625,000.
You know, we touched on it, put some priority on high-end American muscle at the top of the show. And part of that just is going to pay off when this hammer drops on this 69 Hemi Daytona.
Buddy Baker goes 200 miles an hour tire testing in one of these. Won his first race at Talladega, first time out. Bobby Isaac won the NASCAR championship in one of these in 1970. Its racing provenance is exceptional, and now its value is matching its provenance.
We have jumped 100 grand since the reserve came off.
Would love to go back in time and visit a dealership who couldn't get rid of these things and say, hey, you know, one day these are going to be worth nearly $1 million?
That sounds like a line right out of Back to the Future, right?
Yes.
Open that envelope in 30 years.
Okay, come on, guys.
$800,000.
Yes, sir.
Go USA.
EV2 Roadster, Canadian market example. The speedometer and odometer are displayed in kilometers. One owner.